how to set up enhanced conversions in Google Ads, and also how to install the tag on your website. Hello and welcome to Rank Your YouTube channel. In the video session you're watching right now, I'm going to show you how to enable enhanced measurement and set it up correctly on your website. Now, if you're using Google Ads and you want to track conversions, Google Ads has enhanced conversion measurement options. First thing to do is read through the customer data terms, because you're agreeing to these terms of using conversion tracking in Google Ads. At minimum, inform your website visitors, perhaps through a privacy policy page or even a cookie consent banner. Inform your website visitors as to you're tracking them, because that's the latest terms and conditions. So now we've got that out of the way, and you've set that side up so we don't get in trouble with Google Ads. What we can do is we can install the tag using various different methods. Some people, if you're using Google Tag Manager, you can enable enhanced conversions using Google Tag Manager. Simply view the instructions and go to your Google Tag Manager. I'm going to cover Google Tag option, whereby I'll show you how to enable this correctly, especially if you're using Google Analytics, because most website owners make a mistake by calling two different scripts. So once you enable the appropriate one for yourself for enhanced conversions, let's say for leads as well, basically let's do this. Let's press on tag details. Here let's press on installation instructions. As you can see, Google Ads makes the process easy, whether you're using WordPress, Wix, Shopify and others. You can select your platform and follow the instructions accordingly. Let's say you're using WordPress. It tells you to install SiteKit by Google, but I'm going to show you how to install it manually, because that's always much better. Let's copy this tag. On our website theme, we need to add that code in the head portion of our website. For typical WordPress, it's header.php file. And the best place to place that code is before closing of head portion. Okay, this is where you place it for WordPress site or Shopify. For Shopify, simply find theme liquid and edit your HTML to insert that code. Now let's imagine you're already using Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager already. If that's the case, this is not the best way to add this code. So I'll show you a local copy so that you get the idea. Basically, in this example, I'm using Google Analytics already. That's the Google tag, correct? So then, this is the Google tag configuration with an ID. That means instead of calling to, you can just do something like this. Let's remove that. So you can just add this tag here. So if you're using Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, this is the correct way to add Google Ads conversion tag, because then you can measure conversions more powerfully. What I'm saying is don't load two different tags for Google Analytics. Download one for that and one for Google Ads. Now, once you update your website with the code, then you'll be able to take advantage of conversion tracking.